What's up, YouTube family? See, I got the bike all stripped down. I want to make this tail end a little bit cleaner. The new Rage fender eliminator kit that I had on here, I mean, I liked it and it did its job perfectly, but I just really wanted a tidier tail end. So my plans are to, once I get everything back together, I was gonna have this all done today, but oh, here's my old LED strip that I had on my passenger pegs. I took those off. I mean, I like them, but you know, this end piece looks a little bit cheesy to me, but it did its job well though, and they were really bright. So I went with these right here. These looked a lot better to me, and they flash two different colors. These are red and amber. I have the white and amber on the way too. And actually I ordered these last night and they came like maybe an hour ago. So I am going to be installing these. When I get the tail end together, my plans are to just connect these right under the tail end somewhere near the plate. Above the plate or near the tail light. I want the tail to be just really clean looking. And this right here is the new Rage fender eliminator kit for gsxr 17 through 21 gsxr 1000s. So I will be putting this thing on Craigslist for if anybody's interested in buying it. It works perfectly. All the parts are here. And if you want it, you can get it, but you have to be in Metro Detroit. I'll be selling it for 125 bucks. The price, original price on this thing is what it was like 200. It's in the original box and everything. I ordered this from STG Sport Track Garage, I think it is. And you can go on the channel if you want and just check out the installation or whatever. There's a guy on there named Brian Vance. I think he's the owner. This guy, he's a very knowledgeable guy, and I learned a lot of stuff from him as far as, you know, bikes are concerned, and on installations and stuff like that, installations and everything. So yeah, so if you guys want this thing, it will be on Craigslist tomorrow, but you have to be in Metro Detroit to get this thing, because I'm not driving far to deliver it, maybe 10 to 15 miles, and it'll be 125 bucks. But in the process of just getting all the wires off and rewiring this stuff, I did touch some wires together and I blew a fuse. I blew this fuse right here. What's that? I blew this fuse right here. It's a 10. So, yeah, right there. That one right there. I blew that fuse. So anyway, yeah, it's not difficult as it looks, but you know, I have no lights. The tail light is out. The blinkers are all out. Even the dashboard, I mean, yeah, the screen light is out too. That doesn't even work when that fuse is blown. So I really had planned to have all of this stuff together today for you guys, so you can take a look at the cleaner tail end, but things didn't go as planned. So here's my tool stand slash baby, what is this, like a baby changing station. My wife said it had to go in here just for now to my daughter have her baby. So it turned out to be really useful, you know, and I really kicked and cried about not putting it in the garage, because, you know, you see the rest of my wife's stuff in here. It's like, you know, I used to have the garage to myself, but not anymore. But anyway, this is where we're at now. It'll still start and everything. Where's my keys at? It will still start. Look. No dashboard. Only thing comes on is the headlight. Some of the things that go down in Detroit. So I have like motorcycle stuff / drama type stuff. Nothing too crazy, no cussing, no shooting. Because I'm pretty sure I'll get some shooting and killing on video too. But I won't post that or upload it. I don't want to scare kids. But anyway, that's all for today, people.